हाय जेमिनाई, वेलकम बैक टू ब्लॉसम लाइफ टैरो। आज हम आपके लिए अगस्त 2024 की रीडिंग्स लेकर आए हैं। देखते हैं क्या एनर्जीज आपके लिए नजर आ रही हैं। कार्ड्स के अंदर एक जो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट कार्ड है, जो कि आपका की कार्ड भी है इस मंथ का, दैट इज अ वुमेन हु इज होल्डिंग अ कॉइन इन हर हैंड। आपकी फीमेल बॉस हो सकती हैं, a female member in the family who holds finances, who manages finances. This can be your partner as well. Important character है आपके लाइफ के लिए, आपके लाइफ में इस वक्त। So इनका रोल क्या है, ये क्यों है कार्ड्स में, हम बाद में समझेंगे। लेकिन दिस इज समवन हु इज लाइक अ की एस्पेक्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ इन दिस मंथ। वी विल गो अहेड। वी हैव 4 कार्ड्स राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस। हर एक कार्ड आपके हर एक वीक को रिप्रेजेंट करता है अगस्त के। जो पहला कार्ड है वो 6 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स का कार्ड है। समहाउ मेरा फेवरेट है और मेरा बहुत ही आई रियली लाइक दिस कार्ड, द वाइब ऑफ दिस कार्ड। वाई? बिकॉज ये कार्ड अचीवमेंट की बात करता है। ये कार्ड उस एनर्जी की बात करता है जहाँ पर लोग आपके बारे में ऐसा सोचते थे कि आप कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे या चीज़ें कैसे ही ग्रो करेंगी, आप मैनेज नहीं कर पाएंगे। लेकिन आज वही लोग आप अपने आसपास देखेंगे। यू आर सराउंडेड विद दोज पीपल हु आर अप्रिशिएटिंग यू, हु आर एक्चुअली टॉकिंग गुड अबाउट यू, who are actually encouraging you and very happy about the fact that you were finally able to make it. So that's a very good card, very good achievement. अगर पहले कार्ड की बात करें तो उन लोगों के लिए बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज आप कन्वे कर रहे हैं, द वे यू आर गोइंग इन लाइफ, कि यू नो यू थॉट दैट आई कांट डू इट बट सी आई डिड इट। सो इस तरह का एक पर्सनल मैसेज मुझे आपकी तरफ से जाता हुआ नजर आता है फर्स्ट वीक में। काफ़ी एग्रेसिव एनर्जी है आपकी। मुझे लगता है कि ये मंथ जो है ना बहुत आसान नहीं होगा उन लोगों के लिए जो आपके वेल विशर्स नहीं हैं। सो यू नो इट्स लाइक अ नॉक नॉक ऑन द डोर्स ऑफ पीपल जो कि यू नो जेमिनाई से डील कर रहे हैं और उनको ऐसा लगता है कि यू नो यू कुड बीट देम बट देन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू। इनफैक्ट गेम इज गोइंग टू बी अ लिटिल डर्टी नाउ। तो जिस तरह के गेम आप उनके साथ खेल रहे हैं उस तरह के गेम का जवाब वो आप ही के लैंग्वेज में आपको वापस देने के लिए तैयार है। सो जेमिनाई, बेस्ट ऑफ लक एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू बिकॉज यू कैन डू इट एंड यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट। कुछ एक चीज़ें हैं जो कार्ड्स के अंदर इंपॉर्टेंट है। दिस समथिंग टू डू विद सीक्रेट्स, दिस समथिंग टू डू विद समथिंग विच वॉज नॉट इन आउट, यू नो विच वॉज नॉट इन पब्लिक। ऐसी कोई न्यूज़, ऐसी कोई चीज़, ऐसी कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके बारे में जो पब्लिकली अवेलेबल नहीं थी लेकिन वो पब्लिकली अवेलेबल होने वाली है। और शायद जो इंसान ऐसा करने वाले हैं ना, बस वही आपके रडार पर है, आपके फोकस पर है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि उन्होंने आपको काफ़ी हर्ट किया है और अब उनके रिजल्ट्स जो हैं वो यू नो इसका आउटकम उनको झेलना पड़ेगा। उसके रिजल्ट्स आप उनको झेलने पड़ेंगे। 12 ही वीक है। सेकेंड वीक की अगर बात करें, सेकेंड वीक में दिस एनर्जी विच इज़ अ सिंगल वुमन एनर्जी, लाइक आई विल नॉट कॉल सिंगल इट, आई विल नॉट कॉल इट सिंगल, आई विल रादर से कि यू नो इट्स एन एनर्जी of someone who's separated, you know, someone who's separated from his or her partner, someone energy of a widow, some energy of someone who's actually running his or her life on his or her own terms. So single है, मैं मतलब इस एंगल से आप इनको सिंगल कह सकते हैं बिकॉज द पार्टनर इज नॉट विद देम एनी मोर, दैट्स देयर। ये एनर्जी है। अभी इनका यू नो रीजन क्या है यहाँ आने का, तो उनसे ज़रा डील करते हैं। there's an energy which is like ouch. Okay, so I have a card which is 4 of wands का card है। I don't read reverse, so I will just give you the right messages here. Queen of Swords का card है। The energy of this person is very cold. Okay, this person you're dealing with is someone who's very cold from outside. He is very strict from outside, but then at the same time, do you see the butterfly on the top of the sword? उनके अंदर कहीं ना कहीं you know they are those people who are actually they're very reserved in nature और बहुत आसानी से लोगों के साथ घुलते मिलते नहीं हैं। इस तरह की एनर्जीज कार्ड के अंदर हैं यहाँ पर। मुझे लगता है कि you're dealing with someone who's actually okay, there's a sequence happening, women holding a coin, a queen of pentacle who is holding a coin again in her hand. What a coincidence. And then the third card is the Queen of Swords card. Let me tell you, Gemini, you're dealing with some wonderful women in life. Women who's responsible for your career, women who are responsible for your life, women who are responsible for your household right now. And now I'll tell you one more thing here कि आपका जो घर है पूरा और या आपकी जो लाइफ है पूरी it's like it's completely women dependent. तो उनके बिना आपकी लाइफ नहीं चल सकती। यहाँ पे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ ये है कि आपको उन्हें रिस्पेक्ट करके चलना है। ओके, मे बी समवेयर यू फील कि उनको चीज़ों से फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है या उनको मैटर नहीं करती है चीज़ें, लेकिन उनको मैटर करती है। तो स्पेसिफिकली अगर आप किसी ऐसी एनर्जी के साथ डील कर रहे हैं या इनफैक्ट जेमिनाई You're dealing with 3 women right now, or like important women in your life. So अगर आप उनसे डील कर रहे हैं 3 ऐसी और ये 3 ऐसी एनर्जीज़ के साथ, तो मुझे लगता है कि वहाँ पर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस करने की, बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्ट देने की ज़रूरत है. चीज़ें उनके साथ लाइट मत लीजिएगा. डोंट टेक एनीथिंग फॉर ग्रांटेड इन द सेकेंड वीक, बिकॉज दैट कैन इम्पैक्ट यू. दैट कैन एक्चुअली, यू कहते हैं ना, आपकी दुनिया थोड़ी सी हिल सकती है. तो उनके साथ ज़्यादा चांस मत लीजिएगा. आई वॉन्ट टू शो यू योर कार्ड्स, बिकॉज क्या होता है कि if you're able to see your cards, at times you're able to see some resemblance also of people who are there in your life and with these cards. So this is your first card, which is the Queen and the Woman holding a coin in her hand. So she's someone who's actually having the power of money with her. Okay, just meet her. Okay, I am introducing you now to the next one in the row. She's the Queen of Pentacle again, someone who manages her balances, manages her finances, and then knows money very well. Okay, so just meet her also, because she's another important person in your life. You have one more, dealing with one energy, which is actually an energy of someone who's very cold from outside, but very nice, very soft from inside. You're dealing with this her third person. All 3 of them are very strong women, so you can't expect any weakness from them, because they know how to manage themselves and their money and you as well. So just take care of them very well. There's a card which is the 4 of Wands ka card right now. You may be a part of some celebration in the family. There's a possibility you may be a part of some kind of a event, or maybe an event which is related to these women. Maybe at work you will be a part of an event wherein these women are playing an important part, or maybe playing an important role in that one. So ये बहुत ही important event आपकी लाइफ में होने वाला है in the second week of August. So तैयारी कर लीजिए, just get your best suit out and then just be ready with your business suits. Okay, then we are moving to the third week now. Gemini, second week is going to be very important for you, and please do comment in the comment section if you are able to resonate with this one. I want to really hear कि exactly क्या event था जो cards आपकी तरफ indicate कर रहे हैं, आपके लिए indicate कर रहे हैं. I would like to hear about it. Third week जो है वो बात करता है family time, family life, a cycle which is there, and if you're waiting for I'll not talk about this card as of now. I want to look at and show you other cards also, and to elaborate your message very well. You have a Wheel of Fortune in the cards. Another very positive card in tarot, I call it. And the way it is surrounding right now, your cards, there's only one card which concerns me. That is the 8 of Cups. 8 of Cups is something which is calling someone from your past back, someone who had hurt you badly, very badly. So you left this person behind, you left this woman behind, especially for another knock on the doors of all the Gemini male characters, or the male people who are reading who are watching this video right now. Gemini, someone, a female figure from your past can knock on your door, who would want to knock on the same feelings you had for this person in past, to check that do you really, does she really holds that value in your heart still. But the good part is that you have already walked away. You were hurt badly by this person, and there's no scope of talking or maybe meeting also. You even don't want to meet with this person. So if you were looking for that sadistic pleasure, that I had an upper hand and finally this person came back, he apologized and all, then if you were expecting that apology from someone's some specific person, then this apology is coming your way in the month of August 2024. Finally you're getting it. Family time, a lot of family time in the cards. I think you will go for a vacation. You may spend a lot of time with your family, especially your father. He will need a lot of time of yours, I think, so you will spend some more time with him. You would want to do that. Third week is all about emotions, dealing with family, dealing with emotions, dealing with past energies. So be ready for that. And again, do comment in the comment section what exactly the event you were a part of, or the instance you were a part of when this third week came and you were in that week specifically. Well, fourth week is talking about some unexpected opportunity for you, Gemini. कुछ नया आने वाला है. अभी जो नया आने वाला है ये ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है जो इसका आप वेट कर रहे थे. ये वेट करने वाली चीज़ नहीं है. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि कुछ चीज़ों के हम लोग we don't really want to get into that. इमीडिएटली वी आर नॉट इवन लुकिंग फॉर इट, हम वेट भी नहीं कर रहे थे इस चीज़ अपॉर्चुनिटी का आने का, लेकिन सडनली आ जाती है. और दिस इज़ लाइक अ सडन गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी गिवन बाय गॉड टू यू. आएगा आपके लिए पॉजिटिवली, इट विल कम इन द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ सेप्टेम्बर एंड द लास्ट वीक ऑफ अगस्त के बीच का कुछ एक टाइम लगता है. और दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी विल मेक यू ट्रैवल, moving, traveling from one place to the other, traveling from one city to the another city. There's a possibility, and there's also a possibility that I know the event looks like a little weird what I'm going to tell you, but it looks like someone who was not keeping well will actually will be now ready for reincarnation. You may spend some time with this person, and it's like a blessing in disguise kind of a scenario wherein you're traveling from from one city to the other. So you're traveling for something which is not really very a happy moment in the family, but then, or maybe in your circle, your loved ones, but this will certainly turn out to be an opportunity for you. I have goosebumps when I'm telling you this, because this is a very it's a very special message. And if this is happening, I would certainly want to hear from you that what was this opportunity which came your way. I feel it's something good which is coming your way. Obviously you were not waiting for it. There's something sad also happening parallelly, but then this energy is telling me that you have some good energies coming your way starting second week of August. Second week, some event is coming wherein you are achieving something and you're a part of it, and you are actually surrounded with all the very, very strong women who are who have been a part of your journey, or who are right now a part of your journey. Third week is something which is giving you that long awaited apology which was pending with someone and you really wanted it, you are getting it. And third week is some unexpected events happening in your life which will give you a very nice something very good coming your way. I really want to know about it from all of you. What did you really get? Well, thank you so much for watching the video. I would really want to hear about your experiences, and we will connect next month again. September 2024 में हम फिर से मिलेंगे. तब तक take care of yourself and be with your family. God bless you. Bye bye.